Hi, this is John Hill from Allegiance Technology. And Larry, I wanted to do a quick demo of your form and how it exports to a database. I wasn't sure I was doing a very good job of explaining that on the phone. So here's your form, and I have created a database for commercial fire. This is an Access database, so obviously a very common one. And I've already put some examples of filled out forms here in the database, so we can assign all the different fields that are available here to that database. So what I do is in what's called the toolbox, which is used on the programming side. I'll bring that down where you can see it. I've programmed in the site number and the username. You can see where I've assigned all these fields, and so you can assign them as you like to have them available. And monitoring entity name and entity telephone and things like that, and they all correspond to the Access database or Excel spreadsheet or whatever other kind of database or output that you want. So I'm going to go do that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill out this form again. And so what I'll do is I'll assign a unique site number, so 342, and we'll do this for IBM, and they are in 1 IBM Way, and the contact is John Smith. Okay. As soon as I pull my pen away from the screen, of course, just like with the other forms, that's converted over. And what I'm going to do now is scroll down a little bit so we can fill out some rest of this. And let's say that commercial fire is their monitoring entity. And just fill out a random telephone number and monitoring account number. And again, you can see how that goes. It's all very simple. If there is ever any mistake that's made where it doesn't come up right, I can just go ahead and change that real quick, and then it'll go ahead and fix that. I could do it from a drop down too. So the quantity, I'll say 1 of these and 2 of these. And again, this is just an example, obviously not what you guys really use for the model numbers. And 4 of this last one. Then all I have to do is go ahead and save this form. So I click on Save. It's automatically saved. Now when I go back into my Commercial Fire Access database, and I have to enable this, and I go ahead and look at the table, then what you'll see is that the one that we just put there is right there. So all that data is now available to us, and all the different areas, and we can capture the quantities and all that kind of stuff. So now we can take this data and massage it any way we want, bring it into other programs, output it, search on it, anything that you do with any other database. So I hope that's a good explanation for you of the flexibility of our system and how it can adapt to how you guys run your business. Thanks.